Connected the fiber. Foresee the future. Hello friends, fiber optic lessons start. This is Sophia from Hong Kong HomeServe Limited. Welcome to my channel. Today, let's talk about Fusion Splicer. Fusion Splicer is a kind of optical fiber splicing equipment, which is mainly used for the cable construction and maintenance in optical communications. The optical fiber fusion splicer is an instrument to melt the two fiber ends together with an electric arc. According to the types of optical fiber and different alignment methods, there are generally 4 types of fusion splicers as follows. 1. FTTX fusion splicer. It is used for the splicing of job cable and pet cord in short distance. This kind of machine usually has 4 motors, and the fiber alignment type is cladding to cladding. 2. Backbone fusion splicer. It is used for the splicing of single fiber in long distance, in view of the low loss required for the splicing of backbone cable. This kind of fusion splicer has 6 motors to achieve core alignment. Of course, it doesn't mean 6 motors is equal to core alignment. The high precision lens and the sophisticated software algorithms are necessary too. They can make sure the machine accurately identifies the fiber type and automatically selects the fusion mode to ensure the fusion quality. 3. Ribbon fusion splicer. It is used for the splicing of the ribbon fiber cable. The ribbon cable includes 2 fibers, 4 fibers, 6 fibers, 8 fibers, and 12 fibers. 4. Polarization maintaining fusion splicer. It is used for splicing of polarization maintaining optical fiber. Okay. The above is the whole content of Lesson 10. We learned optical fiber fusion splicer. In the next lesson, we will talk about a superb stripping gadget. Guess what is it? Follow me. I will tell you next time. Bye bye.